Imagine someone gives you cocaine for free. At first, out of curiosity, you take it. In the beginning, it feels under control, but soon, it's all you think about. You need it. You crave it. And when it's not there, you lose control. You want it so badly that you'll do anything to get your hands on it. Similarly, be her drug. This is exactly how you make a woman obsessed with you, not with cheap manipulation tips and tricks, but with a step-by-step formula that works every time. And I'm going to show you how. Step 1. Be available and stand out. I know this goes against what every other guru teaches, but think about it. A drug has to be available first to hook its consumer. You need to be present in her life to build that bond and get her hooked. Then, when you're unavailable, she'll think about you and miss you. But how do you do that? By doing the opposite of what beta simps are doing. Most guys are constantly validating women for free, saying nice things, agreeing with everything, doing favors she didn't even ask for, liking her pictures, and leaving cringe comments like, "You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen." And what does that do? Friend zone. Doing this imprint your image as the nice guy, and you know that nice guys finish last. These beta simps don't have a spine, but you're not one of them. That's why you clicked this video. What you need to do is make her qualify herself to you. Make her seek your recognition and attention. Don't hand out compliments like candy. Have your own opinions even if they go against hers. Have the guts to say no. Let her do favors for you. Show her through your actions and confidence that you're different from every other guy. And most importantly, believe that you can attract the type of woman you want. Remember, you are the prize. By now, you're already ahead of 90% of guys who stay stuck in the friend zone, chasing women who'll never see them as more than just friends. If that's something you've struggled with before, you need to check out my exclusive ebook, Fuck Friend Zone. You'll learn exactly why women friend zone guys and how to flip the script that'll make her chase you. The link is in the description. Grab your copy now, and let's move on to step 2, that is, make her feel. Do you know the 2 most powerful emotions that can hook any woman? It's jealousy and fear of loss. Yes, do make her happy and laugh, but mix in a bit of jealousy and fear to make her think about you all day. But how? By having options. Let her know subtly that other women are interested in you almost on a daily basis. Let her know that there are other girls who flirt with you, message you, and value you. This will create jealousy. Ever had a girl mention how much she hates it when a guy just disappears? That's because women fear losing what they can't fully have. Have a strong frame and boundaries to let her know that if she doesn't behave well, you'll leave her without a second thought. When you're constantly improving yourself, you'll naturally attract women who see your value and will chase you to lock you down. Step 3. Make her earn your attention. Remember what we talked about in step 1? By being available just enough and standing out, you've already planted the seed. By now she's hooked. And now it's time to make her earn your attention. I want you to picture this. You're working on building a business, hitting the gym, or leveling up in your career. She sees that your life is full. Now when she texts you and you don't respond immediately, it's not because you're ignoring her. It's because you're focused on your mission. That makes her want your attention even more. Whatever your purpose is, lock in on it. This ensures that you won't obsess over any one girl because you have something far more meaningful driving you. Never make her your first priority in life or put her on the pedestal. Lastly, I have a bonus step for you. Always end on a high note. Let's say you both are having a conversation and it's going well. It's always better to end it on a high note. Otherwise, the conversation can get flat and boring. The same principle applies to a date. End it when you're both enjoying yourselves. If it drags on too long, it becomes boring. Now, you have the secret to making any woman obsessed with you. If you want to become even more attractive to women, click the video on your screen. Until then, stop chasing and start attracting.